In today's Microbit lesson, we're going to build a scrolling name tag. Let's dive in. All right, we are going to head over to makecode.microbit.org and we are going to make sure we are signed in. We're going to scroll down to the tutorial section and we want to choose name tag. From there, we are going to choose blocks. We're going to be turning our microbit into a digital name tag in this lesson. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And like before, we are going to use the directions at the top to help guide us in our coding to make it a digital name tag. Again, remember you have your simulator microbit here too to check your coding to make sure that things are performing the way that you anticipate them to be performing. So at the top here, it says click on the basic category in the toolbox, drag the show string block into the forever block. So we have our forever block here. I'm going to click on basic and I'm going to click on show string and I'm going to drag that into my forever block. You'll now notice that my microbit is updating and now it is scrolling saying the word hello. Then in the show string block, we're going to change the text from hello to our name. So I'm going to click on my little variable block here. I'm going to delete it and I'm going to put the acronym for our channel here, taking a bite out of EdTech. I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And now you can see that we have that scrolling on our digital microbit. Let's go ahead and click next. Okay, we're looking at our microbit. Do you see your name scrolling across? If you do, great job. You've now turned your microbit into a digital name tag. Now, if you have your physical microbit with you, this is where you would be able to download this code and then add it to your physical microbit. So when you had your microbit, you would be able to see your name scrolling across on the microbit. So now if we wanted to take this a little further, we could try adding more show strings block to create a story. So we could learn more about this by watching this video here. So what we could do is we could add another show string block here into our forever block. And remember from our previous video, which if you did not catch that video, I will link it up here somewhere. This forever block is just telling the microbit to continuously just run on a loop. And whatever blocks we're putting inside there is just going to continuously do it. So right now we're telling this forever block to tell the microbit, show this and then show this, then repeat, show this and then show this. So if I wanted to, I could say maybe something like good morning. Let's see what that does. So now on our microbit, it says good morning. So if we wanted to, we could add multiple show strings and we could have different layers of a story and we could create a short story that just scrolls through on our microbit. I'm going to go ahead and click done. And now we are taken back to our microbit workstation here, where now we have access to all the tools and we can explore and kind of test out adding certain things and seeing, kind of testing some hypotheses. And if I add something, what's going to happen, what's going to show up on my microbit. So that was just a quick walkthrough of the name tag project in Makecode for Microbit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't checked out our previous videos in our Microbit series, I will link them again up here somewhere. Go ahead and make sure you check those out. Be on the lookout for our next video in this series. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video.